showing the 1 cup maker. This is a machine that allows blind and visually impaired users to make tea without having to worry about pouring the boiling hot water and it getting all over your hand. So it looks very similar to a kettle, except that it has like a nozzle at the front. So I'm going to lift it now and fill it up. So there is a handle at the back which I'm going to hold on to, and if you move your finger slightly up, there's a little thing, it's kind of actually shaped like a finger, and if you press on it, the lid will pop open, and then you can come on over to your sink and just try and fit the tap into the opening and lift it, and then just listen. You need to try and fill a bit more than what you're actually making because it's not good for it to be fully used. So now that's done, I'm going to close the lid and put it back on its little base. So now it bubbles a small bit for some reason. And I am going to grab our cup, which is here, and I'm going to get our tea bag from here. Throw it in, then close that. Now I'm going to use the canderel, which is this, and squeeze 2 into my hand and then pour them into the cup. Put that back like this, and then step over here and put it in under and just press it back up to the base of the actual machine and feel up and make sure the nozzle is right under it. It's not hot until you press the switch. So then from the nozzle, if you feel up, there is the switch here. It's just up a bit from the nozzle and onto a flat bit and forward, and there's the switch, and you press that down. And now you wait while it boils the water and then pours it into the mug. And this machine does use sensors to detect the amount needed, so you don't have to worry about it overfilling your mug. It actually sometimes tends to underfill it a bit, which is good, so you can put in your milk without issues. So right here I have a spoon, which I'm going to need for the next bit, and my milk, and I'm just going to move these over here so they're ready. And now we wait. So yeah, now it's going to start spraying in a second. There we go. And as you've possibly heard that click, the switch will revert to its normal position. So now, as you can hear, it's bubbling. You want to wait till that stops, which it has, before you remove your cup, because it's still dropping small amounts of water. So then you reach around and take your cup gently, aim for by the top, because that's normally the coolest part, and put it down. Now I'm going to grab my spoon, and you put it into your cup, like so, and reach around, and you're going to just get the tea bag, like so, and just hold it and let it drip in case. Give it a bit of a shake, and now step over to the sink and do that. Now our spoon I'm just going to leave here on the edge of the sink, and I'm going to grab our milk. With the milk now you want to be careful, because sometimes you can put a bit too much in, or sometimes a bit too little. So you want to just gently put your finger in. Don't put it actually into the hot tea because obvious reasons. And that should be plenty of milk. And now I'm going to reach over again and get my spoon. Put down my milk. I'll put the lid on that in a minute. And just stir your tea. And that is how I make tea. So have a nice day.